couple hours later, I'm finally done. Recipes to the salmon. I'm turning into more of a rectangle than I ever have been. It's hot. It's hot. Woo. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. Make sure to subscribe to be a part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. I look rough and I'm not saying that to be like relatable, like fuck, like what the fuck? I woke up at 8 o'clock this morning. I know, early, right? I went to sleep at like 12 because I had to finish editing this fucking video. Not this one, but like a video. Literally edited for like 11 hours, 12 hours straight yesterday. But it's currently 9:53 and I uploaded in 7 minutes, so was this in focus at all? But it's the boys choose my outfits for a week video. Just made the thumbnail, was watching some Tana. If you guys are wondering like what the process is like, you know, basically it's like this. This is how I make my thumbnails on PicMonkey. I'm struggling uploading 3 times a week. I mean, like I can do it, but it's just so much freaking work. Today I'm gonna be doing another vlog for you guys. I thought I would start doing more vlogs since that's what you guys requested, and they also don't take 10-11 hours to edit. Today is like the first chill day I've had in a hot minute. I've been overworking myself, so I'm really excited for today. I have a to-do list and everything. I know it's supposed to be a chill day, but I still want to get shit done. Like put up my wallpaper in my bathroom. I got like this Tezza kit that I want to do. What else? I don't even know. But let's shower. My room is a mess and it's been killing me the past couple days because I filmed the video where the guys pick my outfits, so now like there's clothes everywhere and I haven't had the time to clean it. Like trust me, I've been wanting to. I literally just haven't had the time. Like yesterday I woke up and just got straight on the computer and edited. So my room's a mess. Like I literally spilled my juice. Here's the aftermath of filming that video. Literally insane. I cannot wait to clean. And like I actually get excited to clean now, which is really weird. I'm out of breath. Clean my room, do the laundry, work out, shower, and do a hair mask, put up my bathroom decor, build my bench, and clean my office. If you guys can see, my freaking journals are not very aesthetically pleasing because I just don't have the patience to do that. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do a hair mask and a face mask. My video goes live in 3 minutes. I've been using this pharmacy honey potion one a lot. I just made a video on it, trying new products, but this one's really good, but I've already used it twice in a row now. I'm gonna use the Tatcha Violet C Radiance Mask. This is really expensive. I didn't buy it. Adeline gave it to me because she gets PR from them. I just like the way it looks. The video's going live. I like sit for like an hour after and read all the comments, and then throughout the day I read my comments. I read almost all my comments. I try to, at least. I love reading comments and I feel like it's so important to. Now let's do oh my god, Lauren Giraldo just followed me. Oh my god, I love Lauren Giraldo. Lauren Giraldo, I love you. Oh my god, no, she didn't follow me. Never mind. I'm fucking lying. She just liked my post. Cool. Never mind. Wait, no, she just started following me. I love Lauren Giraldo. She's so I love this girl. She has the best videos ever. Anyways, let's do a hair mask and then I'll read some comments. Oh my god, I just posted on Instagram. Also, my hair's so fucking dry, but like not really, but like kind of. I just like put it up in a bun. I just hate the feeling. I love long hair and everything like that. Like I wear extensions all the time. Like after one day of washing it, I put it up in a bun. Probably should have brushed my hair out before I did this. Cool, I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 minutes. I just spent 34 minutes reading comments and liking a lot of them. I liked at least like 800 of them already and read through 800 of them already. So now I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna eat because I'm so hungry. All right, just showered, did my skincare, put like all the serums and stuff on my face. Now I'm gonna make breakfast. We're literally like all out of groceries, and I know seems like we go grocery shopping a lot, but it's just cause like the vlogs are like, it's been 5 weeks. So like I've only posted a cup. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, so I'm like making a grocery list, but like we're all out of eggs, bacon, bread, cherry tomatoes, just fruit and stuff like that. Ugh, we need to go grocery shopping. I'm so hungry, but I'm currently making an acai bowl. Okay, I had to improvise because we had like no food. So here's like an acai bowl and some avocado toast with feta cheese on it. I usually don't eat avocados, but I'm hungry and it seems appetizing now that I'm really hungry. All right, so I just got changed into like an oh my god, I just threw my hair clip in a fucking smoothie. Nice. So I just got changed into an outfit because I didn't want to wear a robe all day and I thought maybe I'd be a little bit more motivated. CEO of looking like a rectangle. Leggings are from Lululemon and oh my god, I look skinny today, which I say today because I swear to god I usually don't look like this. Guy's like, I promise you. Sports bra is from Nike. I think I want to do a workout today. I've been noticing that I've gained a little bit of weight. It's like not a huge amount, but whenever I gain weight, it goes straight to my stomach and my face, and like my face a lot, like I can notice it. I think it's also just because I've been eating a lot of fucking carbs and pasta lately, and also I've just been eating a lot in general because I have nothing better to do. Instead of eating pasta like 3 times a day, maybe once. Oh my god, that wasn't even in focus, was it? I have the worst vision, so I can never tell if something's in focus or not. I'm trying to survive without drinking coffee because I usually drink like 3 to 5 cups a day, but I'm just feeling tired, so I'm gonna need to drink 1 cup at least today. I'm gonna show you guys like my favorite coffee recipe. coffee I drink is the Zavita Coffee Roasters Hazelnut Vanilla Medium Roast. I got this from Costco and it's like the best coffee I've ever tried. And with that, I add a little bit of Hazelnut International Delight. Literally any hazelnut creamer works. Add a little bit of ice and boom, this tastes so good. Just finished my coffee. I'm like still so tired, but I want to clean up my bathroom so that I can do the wall and everything like that. But it's so gloomy outside today that it's like putting me in a bad mood. I'm just glad I have a day to rest because I think I really needed like a chill day. Let's clean my bathroom. Ooh, I look like a boy. I've been working on this for like a while now. I kind of organized the inside of my shower. Love my pile of hair right there. Anyone else just like, oh shit, stick their hair to the wall? Just me? Cool. I kind of just like put everything in a corner. Currently cleaning my toilet. I organized this. This is just products that I use like every day or like masks that I use. I clean down the counters, clean the mirror and everything like that. Right now, I want to work on my closet. Since there's like a lot of clothes that I need to hang out and there's a lot more laundry downstairs that I need to grab. Let's do that. Okay, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make another avocado toast with feta cheese on it, and then I'm gonna come back because I'm a hungry bitch. I don't know, hungry hippo.
1 hour later.
So I ended up eating more than just avocado toast. I ate 2 avocado toasts, and then I had a fucking fat salad. Let's keep cleaning. The closet is clean. Hung everything up, and while I was at it,
Look at this dude.
Whoa, this is so weird holding my tripod like this. Imagine if I vlogged like this all the time. While I was at it, I cleaned my room, lint rolled my bed because Sterling shed so much. And then I also just put this prom dress that I never wore on my mannequin. I literally bought this online for like 150 bucks. But I finally got it like probably a month and a half ago. I never got to wear it, obviously. It's just there for now. Anila just got home from work. I think I want to do my bathroom now. I bought this like Tezza wallpaper kit, and it's just like basically a bunch of pictures and you just tape them on your wall. A couple hours later, I'm finally done. I'm so in love with it. I think it looks so good. It looks straight out of like VSCO or like Pinterest or like Urban Outfitters. I don't know. Absolutely love it. I just added this chair that was like outside and like this plant. I think it adds like a nice touch. Oh my god, this is gonna be so I just want to hang out in my bathroom every day now. Anila and I are going to do an ab workout because I'm turning into more of a rectangle than I ever have been. I'm going to set it up on my TV. I'm going to do a Chloe Ting one and hopefully I don't die. I'm wearing all white. She's wearing all black. I'm honestly surprised I haven't like stained this really badly yet. I was literally like on my knees cleaning and everything today. All right, we're going to do the Chloe Ting's ab workout. I just finished the ab workout and Anila's currently taking a bath, but I'm going to start preparing dinner. So I dropped the salmon. The fire alarm turned on. So, recipes to the salmon. This is what it's looking like. We salvaged the, salvaged the salmon.
The next morning.
Hello, good morning. It's the next day. Yesterday, I literally just watched Aquamarine and chilled in bed. I didn't sleep until like 1 a.m. though, which was really weird. Like I haven't felt that way in a long time. Really weird. I think it's just because my brain wasn't really working yesterday. Like I didn't actually have to put it through stress. God damn, I'm tired. I literally walked up the stairs. Anila has to work at 10, so I'm gonna drive her to work because I'm gonna go get food because there's literally no food in the house. But I don't want to get groceries right now, so I'm literally just gonna go through a drive-through, get some food, and call it good because we don't have any breakfast food. Today, I have to run some errands, like go to the bank to go get my card set up. Little things. I need to take some thumbnail pictures and everything. That's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna quickly get changed. Just put on something really simple. I haven't worn an outfit like this in the longest time. I feel like my style has changed so much. My skinny jeans are just like low rise. Ugh. Disgusting! The hoodie is from Pretty Little Things, just like a nude one, and then this is Arc'teryx, but I just never wear it, but I feel like I should wear it more often. Super good quality, love the brand. Now I'm gonna go drive Anila to work. My little baby's gonna work. Just fit. Ew, I look so fucking bad. Who let me look like this? I just finished up at the bank. Finally got that all sorted out. It took like 30 minutes. I got all my cards set up. Super happy about that. Finally kind of got my life together. Not fucking really, but like I've just been meaning to do it for a while now. Now I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna go grocery shopping with Anila later, another day. So I don't want to do that right now. I'm just gonna go through the drive through and go get some food. So I just filmed 2 parts of a video, which is like the TikTok try and close thing, which I haven't posted yet when you guys are watching this. I just planned out my outfits for my next couple Instagram posts. There's so many outfits that can be created with all this eventually. By the time this video is up, I've probably posted a lot of them already. So maybe I should like make a video like making outfits out of like only like 10 pieces of clothing. Ugh, my eyes hurt. I'm not trying to like do that to be like quirky. Like my eyes literally hurt. I need to take these contacts out soon. Go check out my Instagram because I feel like this is gonna be really, really, really cute. And I'm trying a lot of new things with my outfits, especially since I got new clothes. It's gonna be something different than what I'm used to. So go check out how the outfits turn out. So I just got another package for the video. Just filmed that section from Aritzia. And oh my god, I'm actually in love with the pieces that I got. But that's gonna be in another video. I cannot wait to try them out. But right now, I am setting up the bath because I want to take an Instagram picture. I know, like I just set up the bath for an Instagram picture. I'm so freaking extra. I just finished my bathroom, right? So like I want it to look cute, so I thought like taking a picture of me in the bath, obviously like me not nude. I don't know what color bath bomb I want. Wow. Okay, so currently I'm in the process of trying to take an Instagram picture, but I want to film this process, so I'm gonna get changed into a bathing suit, and then I have a cup of juice because I don't drink wine. Got changed, put my hair up, and now I'm gonna take an Instagram picture. Oh my god, shit's toasty. It's hot. It's hot. Hi, Sterling. How does it look? Let's see. Ew, I hate my feet. They're so fat. Let's see. Ew, I still hate my feet. Alright, so that's it with the video. Sorry for being so self-deprecating in this video and just saying that I looked ugly all the time. It's because like low-key, like I didn't get ready at all. I just like, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know how it could get annoying. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to stop. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe because I love my subscribers, and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments, like no cap, I do. And I post 3 times a week, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So yeah, until next time.
In the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.